how to change your profile picture on Discord. Want to give your profile a fresh new look? Today I will show you how to change your Discord profile picture in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open Discord and go to user settings. Open the Discord app or website and click the gear icon next to your username at the bottom left. In My Account, click on your current profile picture or the circle with your initials. A window will pop up. Select Upload Image and pick a photo from your device. Crop or adjust your new profile picture as you like, then hit Apply or Save. Don't forget to click Save at the bottom to confirm your new profile picture. Bonus tip: use a clear font picture that shows your personality or just something cool. And that's how you change your Discord profile picture. Simple and quick. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.